Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Hey everyone.
I'm about to explore the wondrous world.
Wondrous world that is my yard.
In my backyard.
That is my backyard.
So what are we waiting for?
Let's go!
Hi everyone, Michelle Hips here, Director of Environmental Education at the new Canaan Nature Center. And today it's towards the end of March, and as you can see in the background there, woo, that's the visitor center. So I'm not that far from the visitor center, and right from where I'm standing today, I am hearing two really cool noises. Let's see if we can take a listen. So from where I'm standing, it's a little faint, so I'm going to get us a little closer to the two different sources of sounds, and we'll see if we can discover what exactly they are. Hi everyone, so I've snuck a little bit closer to the first source of the sounds that I was hearing earlier. I'm at the edge of the donkey paddocks. Behind me is a vernal pool. So the cool thing about vernal pools is that they are not here year-round. They typically fill up each spring, so vernal, meaning spring, and they fill up with the snow melt and the extra rain. And then by summer, they're usually evaporated. But so since they're not long-standing bodies of water, there are no fish in there. Sometimes ducks don't even really know that they're there. They'll frequent them, but anyway, the long story short is that there's not as many predators. So this is a great place for amphibians to come and lay their eggs. So now I'm hearing several calls. The high-pitched peeping noise is likely coming from our spring peepers, which I was hoping to capture a little bit later, but nature just kind of does its own thing. The other sound, some people say it sounds a little bit like a duck. It's a lower sound that you're hearing. Those are coming from wood frogs. Oh, and there's some birds in the background too. So let's take a good listen. So of course I don't actually see any, but they're out there and joining the vernal pool, looking for a mate. Happy spring, everyone!